Okay, you guys, so I was thinking I'm making some pages for a new journal that I'm working on, a baby girl journal, and it's a little bear theme. And I thought it might be interesting to give you an idea of how I go about creating papers for my journals. And this one is going to be pretty simple. Sometimes my pages are time consuming, very time consuming, but I try to pick one that is going to be fairly easy and quick, so I won't hold you too long and whatnot. So yeah, but anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please hit that like button, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can always know when I'm uploading a video. I appreciate you so much. Much love. Okay, let's get started and make this page, this paper, from start to finish. And yeah, here we go. Sorry, I went ahead and pulled out one of my images that I already had, the little bear that I created so long ago. But anyway, I'm going to use that, and this is how I go about creating pages for my journals. And again, this journal is a baby journal, and it has a little bear theme to it. So I'm going to get started with it, and I'm not going to talk through it as usual. I'm just going to play some music, and I hope you enjoy watching how I create papers for my journals. Much love.
I found love in you, and I've learned to love me too. Never have I felt that I could be all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. I found love in you, and no other love will do. Every moment that you smile chases all the pain away. Forever and a while, in my heart is where you'll stay. And this is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. Oh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love The stars have all aligned, and right now is the perfect time to say I love you, 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 I do. This is why I love you. This is why I love you, because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. Oh, this is why I love you, because you love me. I found love in you, and no other love will do. That's why I love you.
My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send, and I got neighbors that more like strangers. We could be friends. I just need a way out of my head. I'll do anything for a way out of my head. In my own way, just feel like living some alternate reality. And I was drowning, but now I'm swimming through stressful waters to relieve, yeah, all the things I do. Spend a little time in hell. And what I won't tell you, I'll probably never even tell myself. Don't you know that sunshine don't feel right when you're inside all day? I wish it was nice out, but it looked like rain. Gray skies are drifting, not living forever. They told me it only gets better. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send, and I got neighbors that more like strangers. We could be friends. I just need a way out of my head. I'll do anything for a way out of my head.
I'm a dreamer. Don't tell me not to dream. I got freedom, and that's everything to me. It don't matter what I've got or where I go. I find shelter a million miles from home. It ain't easy to keep going when it's hard. Keep shining in the dark when you wanna fall apart. But I'm a dreamer, so don't tell me not to dream. I'm a believer, as long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as when they tell me I always have something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. Hey, you know you got to believe. I got to believe. He got to believe. Ooh, yeah. Hey, come on. Ooh, you got to believe. She got to, he got to. You got to believe. In the morning, in the evening, late at night, you know. You got to believe. Yeah, I do believe. I do believe. You got to believe. I'm a dreamer. Don't tell me not to dream. I got freedom, and that's everything to me. It don't matter what I've got or where I go. I find shelter a million miles from home. It ain't easy to keep going when it's hard. Keep shining in the dark when you wanna fall apart. But I'm a dreamer, so don't tell me not to dream. I'm a believer. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in.